to my channel. This is my first ever video and I am so excited to be making it for you all. I have been planning out and dreaming about this channel for months now and it's finally coming together. So today for my first video, I'm going to be doing a holiday unboxing of different anime and I think manga that I have purchased this holiday season during different sales from different sites. So yeah, many of you know websites like Right Stuff and Sentai do a annual holiday sale where they mark down the prices of their anime DVDs and manga and things alike, like way below retail price. And so I did a lot of shopping. This is what I have accumulated. I have restrained myself from opening any of these packages for probably a month, and it's taken all my restraint, and I'm still waiting on one, but it just has not come yet. It's been delayed for about 3 weeks and I just really can't wait any longer, so I'm just gonna go ahead and open them up. If you're here watching today, it's my first video, and obviously my editing and recording is very new. I'm using my phone, I don't have a camera or anything yet, but thank you so much for supporting and watching, and let's just get into it. I don't really know which one to start with. So some of these are from Amazon because Amazon was doing a very weird like sale. I don't know, it just had a bunch of random things on sale I wasn't expecting. So we'll start with this one here. So first up we have the One Punch Man Season 1 Blu-ray Limited Edition. I did watch Season 1 of this show and I loved it. I haven't gotten around to watching Season 2 yet. I do plan on it, but I want to add this to collection first and foremost. I got this one for $26.99. Okay, next up we have Noragami Season 1 Limited Edition box set. This is one of the shows I haven't watched yet, but Amazon was selling it for pretty cheap. It's been on my list for a while, so I decided to add it to the cart. I got this one for $19.90. Next package. Woo. So next up from Amazon as well, we have the Hellsing Ultimate box set. This is only volume 2. I don't know why I couldn't find a box set for volume 1. I have already seen the show and I do have the steelbooks for, actually, let me look at my bookshelf, it's right here. Where are they? That's so weird. Okay, I guess I don't anymore. I think I sold them. But Hellsing Ultimate Blu-ray DVD Limited Edition. This is part 2 of the Ultimate series, and I got this one for $19.90 on Amazon. Okay, next. Let's do the last Amazon package that we have. Okay, so next up we have Space Dandy Limited Edition. This is Season 1. I have watched the show and I watched like 7 episodes of this show and I really liked it. I got this one for $19.90 on Amazon as well. I got this one because I figured I might as well just finish it. I really liked the show and where it was going. I just kind of stopped in the middle of it, so I decided to pick this one up. Okay, so I lied. There is one more package from Amazon, except one of them I opened and the other one was shipped to me really weird. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. So I put them in this paper bag just to kind of make it exciting. Why not? So the first thing I'll do is I'll show you what I mean by a weird one, and I probably should have taken off the sticker. But Amazon shipped me this Blu-ray set of Is This a Zombie? Just like this. Like when I got it, it showed up on my doorstep like this. No box, nothing. I thought that was kind of weird. It was sold by Amazon. It wasn't like a third-party seller on Amazon. I got this one for $12.60. I did used to own Season 1 of the show. I sold it a while ago and I'm trying to recollect it, so I started with Season 2 because I've not been able to get my hands on Season 1 yet for a good price. Next up we have Sailor Moon Crystal Volume 3 Blu-ray DVD Limited Edition set. So this went on sale, this series went on sale on Right Stuff for about I think it was like $51 a box, but it was on sale on Amazon, but only this volume for some reason. This was $36.99 on Amazon. I think I'm gonna do this one next, this little pink one here. I did already open this because it is from Mercari and they do require that you confirm the item for the seller, but I did try my best to just like open it, but not open it, so I could kind of keep it in the packaging. So I have Cheese Sweet Home in the original single volumes. They're kind of random, but it was volumes 1, 2, 4, 5, 9, 10, and 11. And the seller also threw in this volume of Fuku Fuku Kitten Tales for free. And so I got, what is this, 1, 2, 3, I got all 8 of these volumes for $19 with free shipping. Yeah, that's crazy. For those of you who don't know, Cheese Sweet Home in these volumes are out of print. You can't get them anymore. And I've seen them go for a ridiculous amount of money on eBay. So I was really happy to find this listing. The reason why I haven't picked up the new releases for this series and the omnibus volumes is because I just prefer not to buy omnibus volumes. I find that the spine creases really easily when you read them, and they're just kind of, I don't know, they don't look as nice to me as like single volumes do. Now we have moved on to the Sentai portion of the sale, which is definitely where I spent the most money. Alright, so I'll start with this single package. I'll start with the single package that showed up on my doorstep by itself. I already know what this is, but in here we only have one disc. Oh my god, Jesus. Okay, in here we only have one disc. It is the Clannad season 1 and 2, so that's Clannad Extended After Story on Blu-ray and DVD. This one was, I believe, $17.99 on Sentai. I ordered it, immediately got back ordered, so it took a while to ship. I ordered this actually for Black Friday and I got it about a week ago. So I did order it, it did come to my house, so I'm just including it in the video, but this is not going to be staying in my collection because I already have a copy. So in this box here, we have this is my second order. I placed this when Sentai like lowered their prices on other things. It was like after I don't know, they did like 2 sales in one. It was like Black Friday and holiday sale, and they lowered some of the prices. So I'm just gonna start with the thing I am least excited about, just because this was a cart topper. My cart was at like, I needed 50 cents for free shipping. So I got the Hello Kitty Friends Learn Together Collection 1. I don't know why I didn't just throw something else that I actually wanted and paid like $1 more for it, but I don't, whatever. Okay, next up we have Just Because Complete Collection. Sale, and it was $6.99. I had read the description for this series and I was like, this sounds amazing. And it was really cheap, so I threw it in the cart, and I am so excited to watch this now that I have opened the DVDs and everything. This is definitely going to be one of the next ones that I watch. Okay, then we have Love and Lies, the Complete Collection. This one was $10.99 on Sentai. I have not watched this series. I have read some of it. I did pick up the volumes from a local store, and I liked it so far. It's like, okay, but it was like cheap, so I threw it in the cart just because really this whole order is based around one item that I really wanted, and I just added in other things to get the free shipping. Next, we have the Love Chunibyo and Other Delusions Heartthrob. This is the season 2 of Chunibyo. This was, I believe, $14.99 on Sentai. I'll have the correct price over here. I bought this thinking it was season 1. I just wasn't reading the title. So now I have season 2 of this. I have not seen season 1. Looks like something I would like, which is why I added to the cart. So yeah. Okay, This is the item that I was super excited about that went on sale. And pretty much why I ended up buying everything else, and I had to get free shipping. That is the Tada Never Falls in Love Premium Edition box set from Sentai. I was so ecstatic when they put this on for $12.99. I had my eye on this, and they really didn't put a lot of their newer premium editions on sale, so I was really surprised when they put this one on for so cheap. I was really hoping that they would put the Real Girl Premium Edition on sale too, because that was the one I really had my eye on for the sale, but it stayed at that $54.99 price, so I'm hopefully going to be picking that up this year. Okay, we are now moving on to the biggest box, and this is also from Sentai. I have gone ahead and opened this one up already, so we don't have to do any crazy stuff here. Okay, so first up we have Blue Spring Ride Blu-ray DVD collection. What am I talking about? This is just a Blu-ray. I watched this series originally on Crunchyroll, and I really liked it. I read the manga for it. I really love Io Sakisaka. She does amazing work. She's one of my favorite shoujo manga artists. I do feel like this anime gets the short end of the stick because it just cuts off at a really random point, but I really love the series and I wanted to add it to my collection. I got this one for $7.99 on Sentai. Next up we have Scum's Wish. I got this one for $12.99 on Sentai. This is another series that I added because it was cheap and I really wanted to check it out. I've read good things about it and it seemed like something that I'd be interested in, so I bought it. Next up we have Glass Mask. That's not how you say that. Glass Mask, the complete collection on Blu-ray. Why am I getting stuck on my words? This one was $10.99 on Sentai. Okay, I don't know why I had that on my lap. It's much easier over here. Next up we have Natsuki Rendezvous. This one was $7.99 on Sentai. I did own the DVD for this series and I just really wanted to upgrade it to the Blu-ray. I prefer Blu-rays. Yeah. Next up we have Place to Place complete series on Blu-ray. This is something that I had on DVD originally. I got rid of it, decided to re-add it to my collection. It was only $7.99 on Sentai. Next up we have Wolf Girl and Black Prince Blu-ray complete series. I have read this entire series. I loved it. It's one of my favorite shoujos. I do really like the series, and it was a good price. It was $7.99 from Sentai, and so I decided to add to my collection because it is something that I really love. Next up, we have Amagami SS and SS Plus on Blu-ray. This is something that I didn't really pick out myself. This was recommended to me by a friend. He said that if I like shoujo, that I'd like this series. I'm not too sure. It seems very harem-esque. This was $14.99 on Sentai. I figured for the price, I might as well try it, and if not, well, someone else can like it. Next up, something that had very bad reviews, but I decided to pick up anyways. This is Chihai Furu Season 2 Limited Premium Edition box set. I do have Season 1 of this series, but people really did not like how this just came in like a slipcase like this and not like a chipboard box like Season 1 did, and I totally get that. For the retail price that it really originally was, I think it's like $70, $80 something dollars. I'm really not too sure. Definitely doesn't seem worth it the way it did with Season 1. This was $17.99. I decided to complete the series. I really did like it. So I haven't watched Season 2 yet, but I'm going to give it a shot now. The last Sentai Haul are Parasite, the Premium Edition box sets 1 and 2. These were $16.99 each, I believe. Really like this series. I could not get enough of it. And so I was super excited that I picked them up before they went out of print. I don't know if I believe they're out of print on Sentai, and I don't believe Right Stuff carries them anymore. So I'm really, really happy about adding these to my collection. Okay, so the grand total for this sale, just to give you guys a little overview of this haul, was $348.41. I really can't complain though, because honestly, like, look at all this great stuff. I'm very excited to add it to my collection. I don't really have enough bookshelf space, but we'll see what happens. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much to all those who took the time to watch this. I was really excited about this channel, and I'm just really happy to be making videos and putting them out there for all you guys. This is something I love to do. So I love anime, I love collecting, and I'm just really happy to share it with you guys. If you liked what you saw today, please feel free to like and subscribe. I have more videos coming for this month, hopefully another haul video for those other packages that have been lost in the mail. But yeah, I will see you guys next time. That's it for today. Bye!